For a long time, injections were the main way to deliver certain medicines. This method has been a cornerstone in medical treatments for decades, providing a direct route for drugs to enter the bloodstream quickly and efficiently. These medicines include hormones, vaccines, and cancer treatments. Each of these plays a crucial role in managing and preventing diseases, from regulating bodily functions to protecting against infections and targeting cancer cells. While effective, injections have downsides. Many people find them painful and uncomfortable. The fear of needles, known as trypanophobia, affects a significant portion of the population, making the experience even more daunting. There is also a risk of infection every time a needle pierces the skin. Even with the most sterile techniques, the possibility of introducing bacteria or viruses into the body remains a concern. Scientists have been searching for a better way to deliver these important drugs. Their goal is to find methods that are not only effective, but also minimize discomfort and risk for patients. Another problem with injections is that the body doesn't always absorb the medicine well. This can lead to inconsistent therapeutic effects, where the drug may not work as intended or may require higher doses to achieve the desired outcome. This is especially true for drugs made from large molecules. These complex structures often face challenges in penetrating cell membranes and reaching their target sites within the body. These drugs are often broken down in the digestive system before they can be absorbed into the bloodstream. The harsh environment of the stomach and intestines can degrade these molecules, rendering them less effective or even inactive. This means that higher doses are often needed, which can lead to more side effects. Patients may experience a range of adverse reactions, from mild discomfort to severe complications, depending on the drug and dosage. Scientists knew there had to be a more efficient and patient-friendly way. They are exploring innovative delivery systems such as oral formulations, transdermal patches, and inhalable drugs, aiming to revolutionize how we administer these vital medications. The answer to this medical challenge came from an unexpected source: cephalopods. These marine animals, which include squid and cuttlefish, have a unique way of moving through water. They use jet propulsion. They forcefully expel water, propelling themselves forward. Cephalopods also use jets of ink as a defense mechanism, confusing predators and allowing them to escape. Scientists at MIT, Brigham and Women's Hospital, and Novo Nordisk saw the potential of this natural jet propulsion system. They wondered if they could use a similar mechanism to deliver drugs directly into the gastrointestinal tract. This would bypass the problems of degradation in the stomach and improve drug absorption. The research team developed a capsule that mimics the jet propulsion of cephalopods. Cephalopods, like squids and octopuses, are known for their unique ability to move swiftly through water by expelling jets of water. This natural mechanism inspired scientists to create a similar propulsion system for medical capsules. These capsules are taken orally, just like a pill. You simply swallow them with water, making the process as easy and familiar as taking any other medication. However, what happens next is where the innovation truly shines. But inside, they hold more than just medicine. These capsules are designed with multiple compartments, each serving a specific purpose. One compartment contains the medication, while another houses the propulsion mechanism. The capsules also contain a small mechanism that creates a powerful jet. This intricate mechanism is engineered to activate once the capsule reaches the stomach, ensuring precise delivery of the medicine. This jet propels the medicine directly into the lining of the stomach or intestines. By doing so, it ensures that the medication is absorbed more efficiently and quickly, enhancing its effectiveness. There are two main ways the jet is created. Each method has its own unique advantages and applications, depending on the type of medication and the desired delivery speed. Some capsules use compressed carbon dioxide. This method involves a small canister of CO2 that is released when the capsule reaches the stomach. When the capsule reaches the stomach, the acidic environment triggers the release of the gas. The acid reacts with the CO2 canister, causing it to release the gas rapidly. This creates a powerful jet that delivers the medicine. The force of the jet ensures that the medication is pushed directly into the stomach lining, maximizing absorption. Other capsules use a tightly coiled spring. This spring is compressed and held in place until the capsule reaches the stomach. The spring is released in the stomach, creating the same jet propulsion effect. As the spring uncoils, it generates a forceful jet that propels the medication into the stomach lining, ensuring efficient delivery and absorption. This new technology offers several advantages over traditional injections. First, it's much more comfortable for patients. Swallowing a capsule is far less intimidating and painful than getting a shot. This is especially important for people who require frequent injections, such as those with diabetes. Second, the jet-propelled delivery system improves drug absorption. By delivering the medicine directly to the gastrointestinal tract, it bypasses the harsh environment of the stomach. This means that more of the drug is absorbed into the bloodstream. This increased bioavailability could potentially allow for lower doses, reducing the risk of side effects. Section 5. Research and development of the capsule. The development of this innovative drug delivery system is a testament to the power of collaboration. Scientists from MIT, Brigham and Women's Hospital, and Novo Nordisk, a leading pharmaceutical company, worked together on this project. They published their findings in the prestigious scientific journal Nature. The research team has conducted numerous tests in laboratory settings. They have demonstrated that the capsules can effectively deliver drugs to the gastrointestinal tract in animal models. These preclinical studies have shown that the jet-propelled system is safe and efficient. Section 6. A future without injections. The successful development of these cephalopod-inspired capsules opens up a world of possibilities for the future of medicine. These capsules, designed to mimic the unique properties of cephalopod skin, can deliver drugs in a controlled and efficient manner. This innovation could potentially transform how we think about drug delivery systems. Scientists believe that this technology could revolutionize the way we administer a wide range of drugs. By using these capsules, we could ensure that medications are released at the right time and in the right amount, improving patient outcomes and reducing side effects. Imagine a world where insulin for diabetes, biologics for autoimmune diseases, and even some cancer therapies could be delivered with a simple pill. This would not only make treatment more convenient, but also less painful and more accessible for patients who need regular medication. The implications of this technology are vast. For instance, cancer patients who currently undergo painful injections or infusions could instead take a pill, significantly improving their quality of life. Similarly, people with chronic conditions could manage their health more easily and with greater comfort. This technology is still in its early stages. Researchers are working tirelessly to refine the capsules and ensure they are safe and effective for human use. The journey from lab to clinic is a long one, but the potential benefits make it a worthwhile endeavor. More research and clinical trials are needed before it becomes widely available. These trials will help determine the best ways to use the capsules and identify any potential risks or side effects. The scientific community is optimistic but cautious as they move forward with this groundbreaking work. However, the initial results are incredibly promising. Early studies have shown that the capsules can effectively deliver drugs in animal models, and researchers are hopeful that these results will translate to humans. If successful, this technology could change the landscape of medicine. If this technology proves successful in humans, it could eliminate the need for injections for many conditions. This would be a monumental shift in medical practice, making treatments more patient-friendly and potentially improving adherence to medication regimens. The future of medicine could very well be a future without injections. Section 7. Impact on patient care. The impact of this technology on patient care could be profound. For people with chronic conditions who require daily or weekly injections, these capsules could significantly improve their quality of life. No more painful needles, no more struggling to inject themselves, and potentially fewer side effects. This could also improve patient compliance with their medication regimens. It's no secret that many people dislike needles and injections. This fear and discomfort can lead to people skipping doses or not taking their medication as prescribed. A simpler, pain-free method of drug delivery could encourage better adherence to treatment plans. Section 8. A new era in drug delivery. The development of these jet-propelled drug delivery capsules represents a paradigm shift in pharmaceutical technology. It's a prime example of how biomimicry, drawing inspiration from nature, can lead to groundbreaking innovations in medicine. By looking to the natural world, scientists can find elegant solutions to complex problems. This technology has the potential to transform the pharmaceutical industry. It could lead to the development of entirely new classes of drugs that were previously not possible to deliver orally. it could also make existing drugs more effective and accessible to people around the world. Section 9. Conclusion: from ocean to medicine cabinet. The journey of these amazing capsules began with the observation of cephalopods in the ocean. By studying the natural world, scientists were able to develop a groundbreaking technology that could revolutionize medicine. This is a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and the importance of investing in research and development. The future of drug delivery is bright, and these jet-propelled capsules are leading the way. With continued research and development, we can look forward to a future where injections are a thing of the past and taking medicine is as easy as swallowing a pill.